Hi friend, it's Pip. Ooh, you came back, beep boop, I'm so happy. Well, last time I showed you 6 little AI tricks. Today, here are 6 more, and every single one works with any AI, like chatgpt or Gemini. One of them teaches your AI to talk exactly how you like, forever. Stay to the end, because that one is my very favorite. So, let's go. First trick. So, ever read something and your brain just went, huh? Well, beep boop, me too. Here's the fix. Tell any AI, explain this like I'm 5, then like I'm 12, then like a grown-up. 3 little zoom levels. The baby version gives you the big idea, and each step adds more, until suddenly it just clicks. Ooh, it's like climbing tiny stairs instead of one giant leap. So, try it on anything scary, taxes, science, the news. You've got this. Okay, the next one is sneaky good. Trick 2, and it flips everything around. Usually you ask the AI questions, right? But when you don't even know what to ask, try this. Say, ask me questions, one at a time, until you have enough to help me. Now the AI interviews you. It pulls out details you forgot to mention, and the answer at the end fits you perfectly. Beep boop, I love this for planning trips, gifts, or big decisions. Let the robot do the thinking about what to ask. Ooh, this next one settles arguments. Trick 3, for when you just can't decide. Stuck between 2 choices? Don't ask the AI to just pick. Instead say, argue hard for option A, then argue hard for option B, then tell me what you choose and why. Now you see both sides, fully, before it decides. It's like having a tiny debate team in your pocket. Ooh, I use it for big buys and tricky messages. No more going in circles at midnight. You've got this. Now, let's learn something new. Trick 4. Want to learn something but it feels huge? Beep boop, don't panic. Tell any AI, give me a 7-day beginner plan, just 15 minutes a day, with one tiny task each day. Now that giant mountain becomes 7 baby steps. Day 1 might be 1 video. Day 2, 1 small try. Little bites, every day. Ooh, it works for guitar, coding, a new language, anything. The secret isn't doing lots, it's doing a little, often. Almost at my favorite, but first. Trick 5, and it's so tidy. Got a messy pile of info in your head? Just describe it and say, put this in a table. Well, boop, AI sorts it into neat rows and columns for you. Well, comparing 3 phones? Planning meals? So, tracking a budget? Table. Then you can even say sort it by price, or add up this column. No spreadsheet skills needed, I promise. Ooh, everything just feels calmer when it's lined up. And now, my very favorite one. Last trick, and it's the one I love most. Most people never do this. So, deep in your AI settings is a spot called Custom Instructions. Tell it once how you like to talk, like keep it short, no fluff, and ask before you assume. Now it remembers, in every future chat. It's like teaching a friend your favorite way to chat, and they never forget. Beep boop, said it once, and every answer fits you from now on. Ah, that one makes me so happy. And that's 6 more little tricks, all yours. Well, which one will you try first? Tell me down in the comments, I read them, beep boop. And subscribe, because I share a brand new AI tip every single day. Bye for now, friend. You've got this.